Hey there, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel on do-it-yourself home projects and real home product reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a basic fundamental tool that every homeowner or handyman wannabe should have on hand, and that is a cordless drill. So we're going to be actually doing mostly a visual tour. I'm not going to be, putting this thing to the test or anything like that. This is a high quality cordless drill. The manufacturer is DEWALT, and I'll put a link in the description below for this specific model if you are interested. And you can read up. Everybody kind of has different projects and different things they have going on, and so you can read up and read reviews on the functionality of it. But I think a visual tour is mostly what's lacking out there for people interested in buying a really high quality drill. So let me just give you a little tour here and kind of show you how this functionally basically works. You've got a trigger mechanism that obviously activates the chuck up there, and a really nice high quality LED light that turns on and kind of stays on. A lot of drills out there, only the light stays on if you press the trigger, or it doesn't have a light at all. Obviously you have different power modes there, the 1 and the 2, indicating kind of a higher drive, a stronger drive, and a faster one too. You can undo this with your hand, so there's no extra chuck tool needed, which is nice, and you can tighten it down really well as well. So this is a pretty high quality drill. As I said, it comes with a traveling case and a battery pack to recharge that 20-volt battery that comes with it, so that is nice with an extra long cord. And again, I really like the travel case because obviously for storage, you can keep it dry, keep it safe, and whatnot. So overall, highly recommended little drill, and a lot of functionality. I think it looks classy, and you've got the backing, of course, of a well-known manufacturer. And that's about it. Thanks for joining me. For more videos, be sure to subscribe.